CAD/COM Lab channel is all about learning civil, interior, mechanical, electrical, architectural, CAD softwares from basic to advanced for technical and non-technical students. CAD/COM Lab is also providing app facility for online course in details, drawings for working. Mr. Sahil gives professional level training, and also he provides live projects training. Learn detailed architecture drawings and interior detailed drawings section, elevation, electrical design, etc. section, elevation, electrical design, etc. Join our 3-month professional course, and also you can join 6-month diploma in interior design with Gulf country details.
Design 3D, exterior and interior, in 3ds Max with plugin for rendering.
CAD/COM Lab is devoted to the most desperate, curious, and creative students who believe in learning CAD from its root to highly advanced level. More information about all professional interior and CAD courses through our institution, feel free to contact us on 888-1262772, 840-0170356. Subscribe to our channel and keep watching our latest videos on various design softwares.